Want to update your iPhone passcode and boost your security using stolen device protection? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you stay protected in case your phone is ever lost or stolen. Start by opening the Settings app. If your iPhone uses Face ID, scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. If you're using Touch ID, you'll see Touch ID and Passcode instead. Enter your current passcode when prompted. Now scroll down and tap Change Passcode. You'll need to re-enter your old passcode, then type in a new one. Confirm the new code to complete the update. Next, let's review your access settings. Right under the passcode section, tap Review Access. This will show you which features and apps can access your device. You can choose Reset All to clear every access permission, or go to More options to review specific privacy and account security settings. If you're happy with how things are set up, tap Don't Reset Access and exit this screen. To take your security further, turn on Stolen Device Protection. Still in the Passcode menu, tap on Stolen Device Protection. Toggle it on to add an automatic delay before certain sensitive actions can be made. Especially useful if someone tries to make changes when you're not in a trusted location. If you want even more control, tap Always to apply this delay even in familiar places like your home or office. That's all it takes to change your passcode and protect your iPhone using stolen device protection. If this helped, tap like, share your favorite iPhone security tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick Apple tutorials.